Hi everyone, in this video I will show you CapCut video editing tutorial for beginners on PC. So first thing you should do is you have to go to any web browser and then type CapCut and then click the very first link that you can see here. You could also go to Microsoft Store and then look for CapCut and then get this application. But for this tutorial, let's just use this web browser and then click the very first link that you can see here. Now you'll see this download for free button. You have to click that one. And if this link didn't work, then you can tap this click here. Install CapCut in 2 steps and tap this click here. Then you should see that notification above that CapCut is now downloading. So all you have to do is go to downloads and look for CapCut. Okay, let me go to my downloads folder here. Right click and then tap run as administrator. After that, you can now go to the Start menu or Search menu and then type CapCut and then open this tool or editing tool. And this is CapCut. So above here, you can see these features such as media, text, effects, and so on. But let's just go first to media. So in media, you can import here your video or your photo. And to start your editing, you just have to drag that picture below or this video below. You can also see here features such as local, spaces, library, where you can add a video here. You just have to scroll down to look for the specific video, or you can search that video on the search bar. And all you have to do is to click the plus or the download button and then click plus to start editing. Okay, so for example, this one, let me tap this download. Once done, click plus and it will be added down below. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Also for this brand assets, if you have logo and video, you can just simply add it right here. So this is how you simply add a video or picture here. Now let's move on to this sound or audio. So you have choices here, like you can search for the specific audio that you want. So for example, you're looking for happy audio or music. So you just have to type, search, and then once you found that, you have to click this download button right here. You can listen before you add. Everything is up to you. Okay, so this is the audio. If you want to change, feel free to change. Just search again, download, and then drag or just click the plus in order for that audio to be added here. Now, if you want to run a copyright check, you just have to click that. Also, you can extract audio here if you want to add your TikTok account and so on. Okay, so that is under audio. Now let's go to text. So as you can see here, there is this default, so AI generated, which is a new feature here in CapCut, and also effects. Okay, you can also add a template here. For example, you're about to upload a video on your YouTube, and if you want to add like thank you for watching or subscribe now, you can go to template and see lots or tons of templates here that you can use. Okay, so let's just say, for example, this one, you want to add subscribe. So all you have to do is to tap that, download first and then tap, and you can just simply adjust it right here. Also, if you want to have this auto captions, if you have your audio review, then you can add captions for that. And also try this local caption here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to edit your text, go to the right side. You can add it right here, scale, zoom in, zoom out. And if you want to change some settings, feel free to go to the right side if you want to change settings on your text or your words. And if you want to change your template, just feel free to change templates here. Okay, tap this one and look for that specific template that you want to add, or if you want this to be replaced. You can also add 3D effects to highlight a specific word. So you just have to go to effects and then tap 3D. You can also try this motion track and of course text to speech, which is the new feature here in CapCut. You just have to choose that specific character or voice that you want. So all you have to do is to type words and then there will be a text to speech here. Feel free to look for the character, but of course some of the characters here or voices here are not for free. So you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, so that is for the text. Now let's go to stickers. Okay, so like what I mentioned earlier, if you're a vlogger or if you love editing and if you want to add some highlights or like add some elements or objects like hands, arrows, circles, and other stickers here. So you just feel free to go to stickers and then look for the specific element or object that you wanted to add. Let's just say if you want to highlight something and if you're looking for circles, you just have to enter circles and you can see here different colors of circles to highlight something. Okay, basically all you have to do is go to stickers and then find the specific object or element that you want to add. You can also add animation. Just go to animations, and for tracking you just have to click tracking here. So aside from stickers, there are also other elements here like arrows. You can search for arrows and you can add a sticker right here. Okay, so you just have to search for that specific element or object, X, check, and so on. Now let's go to effects. So you just have to simply click your video and go to effects and look for the specific effect that you wanted to add here. So let me add this video first and let me tap this video. Let me go back to effects. Okay, and then look for the specific effects that you can add here or I want to add here. For example, this one. So click download first and then click the plus and your effects will be added here to your video. Okay, so for example, this one. Now, let's just say if you want to add this effect to the specific section or area of the video and you want another effect to another section. So all you have to do is you just have to find the split feature. Okay, so I'm going to show you. And then between these two videos, you have to add transition because you wanted another effect to that video or second video. So let me look for transition here, add transition. And then for the next video, you can add another effect. Okay, so you can look for tons of transitions here. Next is look for filters. Okay, so also there are tons of filters here that you can use. Depends on your project, depends on your video. All you have to do is to click download button and then the plus icon in order for you to add that filter here, and feel free to add it to a specific section of the video area of the video. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay, and adjustments. If you want to add some adjustments here like colors or anything that you want. Now let's go to this area right here where you can see features such as split, freeze, rotate, crop, and so on. So if you want to divide a video to multiple sections or multiple videos, then all you have to do is to tap split. If you want to remove the left side, you just have to tap this remove or delete on the left side and on the right side. Now next we have this is the freeze. If you want to freeze a specific part of the video, just tap that one and then click freeze. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it freezes the part or a specific part of the video. Aside from freeze, there is also this feature, which is the reverse. Okay, so if you want to reverse this video, you just have to click reverse here. And then there's also this crop. Okay, so if you want to change the ratio of your video, you can tap it right here. Let's just say you want to post this on your TikTok, so you can change the ratio if you want. Okay, and then click confirm. Now as you can see, there are also these icons on the right side. Here is when you want to lock the video, to hide the video. Let's just say you don't want this to include in your editing, but you don't want to delete this. Okay, and also mute. Now here on the right side, you will see the following here. So turn off main track magnet. This feature helps in aligning clips and elements on the timeline. Snapping linkage. This feature enables the snapping of clips or elements to each other when dragged. Preview access. The preview access controls the view of your project while editing. Zoom in timeline. This feature allows you to zoom in or out on the timeline, making it easier to view and manage your clips. Okay, you can also drag this to make a specific changes. It would be easier for you to do that. Now let's go to the upper right side. So if you want to add some changes with your video, just stop the video right here and then you can see some features here, but most of these features are not for free. If you want to unlock this, you need to upgrade your plan. Also in video, you can see this cat out right here. So if you want to, change the background, for example, if you're using a green background right here and you want to use the Chrome key, then you can go to cut out, or you can do this auto cut out. If you want to remove the background and just use the main character or main object or the person itself, you have to click this auto cut out. And this is what it looks like. This is the result. Also, aside from basic cutout, there is this mask. Then you can change or adjust the shape of that specific video. For example, if you just want to use a rectangle or a circle, you can go to mask right here. There is also this enhance feature right here. Feel free to explore. Let's go to audio. So if you want to change the fade in, fade out, or if you want to reduce noise reduction, you can go to this audio feature, but most of the features here are not for free. I mean, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock or use these features, but some also are free to use. You could also use speed if you want to speed your video or audio. And there's also this animation in, out, and also you can try this combo. Okay, and there are other features here such as tracking, okay, for motion track. And you just have to simply tap this arrow facing to the right to see more of the features that you can use for your editing adjustments. AI if you want to add some prompts, but I think this one is for pro. You need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock these features. And that's it. Now let's move on to voice changers and voice filter. Let's just say if you want to add some changes with your voice right here. So feel free to go to voice changer. You can change the tone of your voice, the pitch. Okay, so you just have to go here, even the character. If you want to change to male, female, or if you want to change or make some adjustments. And the best thing is this speech to song. This is a new feature too that you can try. However, there are a lot of voices, filters, characters that you can use for your project here on CapCut. So aside from editing effects for your video, they have added also effects to your voice, or let's just say music or song or audio. So that's it. Then you can also look for shortcuts to see more information about the shortcuts here in CapCut. Once done, you can now export, add some title, resolution, change the resolution here. And then if you wanted to export only audio, you can tap this one and not export the video. Okay, change the quality. And then you can also untap this and then go back to video if you just want the video and then export. And that's it. So this is just a basic tutorial on how to use CapCut. So I do really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next videos.